Hello and welcome to Advanced Java Programming course, and in this video we're going to deal with errors in a professional way. Errors are unavoidable in programming. We will encounter errors many times in our life and we have to spend a great deal of time trying to fix them. However, if there is an unavoidable error and you've got to make sure that the message displayed isn't red lines but rather a message confirming this error, this is how you do it. If this is the case, we use a rather useful method known as the try and catch statement. What the try and catch statement does is create a bracket in which you could place your main program, and if the program cannot be run, it goes to a second set of brackets called the catch, where it identifies the error that you have specified, and then it runs a message instead. To properly show you the try and catch statement in action, we're going to create one in our file scanner program. To begin, we type the following: try, brackets, and inside these brackets we'll drag what we have written in the program, from the creating of the SC file to the closing of SC file. And then afterwards, we add our catch. Open up our brackets, and in this case, we have a file not found exception. So we type that into here, file not found exception, and then we give it a variable name. So F is a common one. And then after that, another set of brackets. We can now remove this line over here. And as you can see, there are no errors. Our program has successfully been placed into a try and catch statement. Let's just neaten up the rows here. And now that we have created our try and catch, we need to have a message that is displayed if it does encounter an error. So I'm just going to create a simple system out print line, file not found. And to test to see if this error works, I'm going to go into my projects folder and delete the text file. Now that I've done that, let's run the program to see if it still runs an error. And as you can see, it has not run an error. Instead, it has displayed our error message that we created by ourselves, file not found. Now I'm going to place that text file back into the projects folder and run the program again. And as you can see, it has now found the file, so it has no need to use the catch over here. Although the try and catch statement is very useful when it comes to programs such as this, I wouldn't recommend using it all the time. Errors can be very helpful in helping find the problem, but in a case where you are sure there's only one type of error that you can encounter, this is probably the best method to display it, rather than have the same error message show again and again. In the next video, I'll discuss with you the project for this section.